Hi everyone, we hope you're enjoying Vision at Torrance Memorial Medical Center. We want to take you behind the scenes at Yang Cafe into the kitchen and show you what it takes to feed everyone here at the hospital. Join me as we take a look at that vision. Well, it's pretty quiet here right now, but you should see how busy it gets when meal preparation begins. It will be much less hectic as patient food prep leaves the Yang Cafe area and moves to Jared's kitchen in the central tower on the second floor. Here, a much larger space is being built to do the job properly. Also, this will result in more food choices at Yang Cafe. Well, we've traded our bonnets for a hard hat because we're actually in a construction area. We're in Jared's kitchen. Behind the scenes here with Joanna Johnson-Gilman, Director of Food and Nutrition Services. And Joanna, everything's brand spanking new. What are we looking at behind us?
Well, we are in a brand new patient kitchen, specifically designed for patient food production.
Well, it's pretty exciting. Everything's not exactly in place, but it seems to me that once it is, staff will have a little bit more elbow room. Is that right?
Absolutely. We are so excited about that because previously the space was very crowded.
Well, that's great. And I want to check a rumor with you. I'm hearing that the equipment here is really big.
Yes, it is. Let's take a look.
All right.
Not your typical KitchenAid.
You ain't kidding, sister.
This is a soup kettle. It really comes in handy when you want to make 40 gallons of soup.
Wow, where are we? This room is huge.
This is a walk-in refrigerator. It can hold the equivalent of 120 home refrigerators.
Well, you know what? It's bigger than my condo.
And way cooler too.
Way cooler. I'm gonna have to use that one.
Well, these upgrades to the patient facilities will be a big improvement for our patient meal service.
Well, we're really looking forward to it, and thank you so much for taking the time today to show us around. And you stay tuned for future updates on construction projects here at Torrance Memorial Medical Center.